Welcome to another episode of Ask Dr. Charles. Today, let's see what we have. Ooh, I got a video question from someone called Mortimer the Villager. Mortimer Villager? Alright, Mortimer, what do you got for us?
Dr. Charles, I went to the store and I bought a swing, and I don't know how to put it together. Can you help me, Dr. Charles?
And let me tell you something. I know how to build a swing. I made one. And I made a video of it too. Let's have a look. Well, today we're going to make this swing. But we got some assembly required. Gotta open the box. So I got me a scissors. Alright. How am I going to do this now? Gotta get this box open. I wonder if I have a razor blade. Then I want to take this razor blade and cut the box. Be careful with razors, man. You can slice your finger off. Some assembly required. Now you gotta take the plastic out of everything. After you get the plastic out of everything, you gotta take all of it and put in the garbage can, man. It's a booby trap, man. It says here I have to assemble the part that holds the swing up. So I have it laid down on the ground. That way I know which part goes where. You don't want to get confused. Let's see, how does this go here? Alright. Yeah, now you gotta balance this. And you gotta put the screw in the hole. And once you get them through, there's two of them. Sometimes you gotta wiggle them. Wiggle. Almost got it. There. Then you put the knot on. And don't forget a washer. You gotta put a washer on too. You don't put a washer, you can't wash. Or, yeah, you're washed up then. Now we gotta do this side. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy. Yeah. You didn't know there was a doggy here, did you? Now the A-frame's done. Ooh, don't do a chin up, man. Ow. Hey, don't do that. On to number 2. Oh, and don't forget to put this bar on to stabilize it, man. Next thing on your list is to put the rail in. Number 3 is the easy part. This is part L. This is part M. There's no screws on this one. There's a little latch nut. Or latch, whatever it is. You just click it in there. It just snaps in there. No screws, man. Alright. What's the next one? Ready for step 4? This is part W. And this one is N. Put N in W. And then, you screw it in here. On both sides. I always put in finger tags for now, because later we'll go back and tighten them up. But screw up and put it in the wrong place, then it's easier to take off. This is part I. You slide in the hole, man. Part H goes in the hole too. And I think that's it for step 4. Step 5. We're going to put this chair on. So this is what I'm going to do. There's a little hole right here. I'm going to put this screw through this hole. But I have to go through this little bracket here. And on the back side, there are 2 little screw holes there that are going to go in these 2 little backside bracket things anyway. Got that? I'm going to put this screw in here. Don't forget the washer. And other side. So you gotta put this in here. See these screws? They go in here. But you gotta go through this little bracket here first. Almost got it. Sometimes it's nice to use a tool. Uh-oh. That's one side, now I gotta do the other side. After you screw both chairs on, it should look like this. Now let's see what's in the next one. So number 6, we're gonna put these bars on the side, man. So all you have to do is take this little screw. And I always like the sharp end out towards, not towards the person, man. So I put it in here. And I put the bar on. Washer. Screw. Where'd that screw go? There's one. Screw goes to the hole. Washer. And nut. You gotta be nuts to watch this video, man. Alright, now that I think I got this done, I'm gonna take a spring and put it right there. Springy, springy, springy. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Just like that. Let's see here, number 8. We're going to attempt to make something that looks like this. What the heck is a weird type of boomerang, man? Alright, this is how we do it. Alright, this is how we're going to do this. We're going to take these 2 washers, plastic washers, you put them right there. And then you take this bar, the bar goes inside this little plastic screwdriver. And you set it like this. Now you're going to feed up the screw through this hole. 1. Oh, it fell off. Now that that's through, put 2 washers, 1 on each side. And now followed by the nut. Now you got a boomerang. Number 7. We gotta put this thing on. There's Velcro on it. Kind of wrap the Velcro around here. Velcro it here. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to roll out the awning. Oh, interesting. That's what the boomerangs are for. You take the boomerangs and you put the screw to it. And you put it on like that. Just like this. Now let's screw this top canopy on. Take this nut screw thingy and put it through that hole. And pull it tight. All I have to do is put the table part on. We'll do that next. Now let's put the table on. Take the glass, the plastic piece off the corner here. And now we're going to slide into this groove. And this is going to rest on the section cups. Now I'm going to put these little cup holder things in. And now I need to get a cup. Root beer, my favorite. Yep. Hey, I forgot something. I have extra parts left over. You always have extra parts left over. I wonder where these go. Oh, I know. They go up here. There's one side. Ah, so nice having a swing, man. So nice. Ah, it's my root beer, man, in a sippy cup. Don't want to spill it. Yep. Until next time, back to you, Dr. Charles. All right, and that's our show for today. I don't know how I'm going to get that thing out of the sewer. Oh, well, let's do the Charles dance.